Hey, so OpenAI has recently launched this new reasoning model called o3-mini, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect the o3-mini model to the Google Sheets via API. So for example, I have prepared a few questions for the OpenAI o3-mini model, and I already have written a script for this multi-AI script Google Sheets. And if I show you the script, you can go to the app script section, and then this is, I think, 400 lines of code. I won't go into that in the video, but if I go to the settings sheet, you can see that I have multiple OpenAI models available here, and recently I added o3-mini. For example, I have selected o3-mini here, and I already have the OpenAI API added. So let's go to it. I have the questions in the column A and I want the answers in the column B. So let me write that answers. And since this is called sheet 3, I'll go to the bottom here and I'll write sheet 3. Okay. And now I'll select OpenAI. For OpenAI, we already have o3-mini selected here. Now let's start processing from row number 2, correct? And then process till row number 11. So I'll write 11 here, and then prompt columns and output columns. So for the prompt column, we only have one prompt column, which is A, and we want the outputs in the column B. So I'll write A and column B, and it's done. Like for example, I want to process this, so I'll check it and I'll uncheck all others because this time I don't want to process other rows. So yes, if I click on this generate button and then click on this process sheets, it will start working. The questions will be sent to the API, and then you can see that we are already getting the outputs. These are simple questions, but you can like have longer prompts as well, and it will answer that. So yes, this is how it works, and if you are interested, I will add a link to the script in the description below. You can get it from there and then you can use it. See you in the next video.